Hey guys, here in Miller 7.4, when we're adding or subtracting unlike radicals, simplify the radicals first, then add or subtract like radicals only. So we're going to combine simplifying and adding. So in example 2, we want to add or subtract the radical expressions as indicated. Well, square root of 8 and square root of 2 are not like radicals. Maybe I can simplify this one to see if they're alike. So this is square root of 4, square root of 2. Square root of 2 cannot be simplified. 3 times square root of 4, that's 3 times 2 square root of 2 plus the square root of 2. Well, 3 times the square root of 2 is 6 square root 2 plus 1 square root 2. Now we have like radicals. That equals 7 square root 2. So simplifying this created like radicals that we could combine. Okay, let's look at part B over here. Square root of x cubed y squared. So this is 8 square root of x squared, square root of x, square root of y squared, minus 3y, square root of x squared, square root of x. So notice I was factoring out perfect squares to simplify my radicals. So let's say this is 8x, y, square root of x. And this is minus 3xy, square root of x. So now 8xy, square root of x, minus 3xy, square root of x makes 5xy, square root of x. So simplifying will reveal like radicals that we can combine. Okay. C, D, and E, we're going to get a little bit more elaborate. So let's do C. So square root of 50, let me break that down. That is square root of 25 times square root of 2, square root of x squared. Let's see, y to the 5th, I can factor out a y to the 4th times y. So let's see, minus 13y, square root of 2, square root of x squared. Y cubed, I can factor out a y squared times y. Plus xy, let's see, 98, that is 49 times 2. And then from y cubed, I can factor out a y squared times y. So I was breaking down all of my radicals, pulling out perfect squares. Let's see what I have. So square root of 25 is 5, square root of x squared is x, square root of y to the 4th is y squared, and that leaves square root of 2y. So let's see. I have minus 13. Let's see, square root of x squared is x, and I'm going to bring down this y, but the square root of y multiplies it to make y squared, and that leaves square root of 2y. And then plus, let's see my constants first, square root of 49 is 7. I have an x. Square root of y is y times y makes y squared, and that leaves square root of 2y in my radical. So I have created 3 like terms. So now 25 minus 13 plus 7, let's see, 25 minus 13 plus 7 would be 19 xy squared, square root of 2y. All right, let's go to the next video to do the last two.